After the success of blended finance facility, and we will be able to take up these activities all over the Goa and ensure the climate and disaster resilient greener Goa. Right from building the resilience against the flooding of the electric mobility, our vision is to take long-standing programs for dealing with the climate and disaster resilient greener Goa. Our recent meeting at the Niti Aayog was very fruitful and encouraging. We aspire to lead the country with the initiatives in the climate change sector. Initiatives already by our climate change cell has set up through the support of the central government. DST under the NKM-KCC is housed at the Goa State Biodiversity Board under the Department of Environment. This cell is laying a strong foundation for future. I appreciate the World Bank team and for its technical and financial support and for choosing the Goa to be designed to set up the new blended finance facilities and which is first of its kind in the country. This is well empower us to lead the pioneer the climate focused initiatives in the state. By synergy in 3 E's is the environment, ecology and economy. Blended finance can be enhance the resilience of the coastal region and unlock their full potential for the sustainable development. In addition to 3 E's, I request everyone also look at the 7S and which is the pillar of Goa's Vision Plan 2035, the roadmap. It offers the clear line insight into the how the state are looking for a future. First one is in Suramai Goa, skilled and beautiful Goa, which preserves the natural beauty of the Goa in every possible way. Second is in Sanskrit Goa, it is a cultured Goa. Third one is the Santulit Goa, which is balanced Goa. Suvidya Goa, knowledge-centric and enlightened Goa. Samriddha Goa, it is an affluent Goa. Sushasit Goa, well-governed state is Goa. Swanitya Goa, it is a happy Goa. This Sushasit, Samriddha, Suvidya, Santulit, Sanskrit and Savidya Goa. These are the 7 which have planned in the plan of the vision plan of 235 vision plan of the state of the Goa.